Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video, we have created a database connection from our project to the database. And now in this video, we will create model class, and using that model, we will create table in our database. So for that, first we need to create another file, that is models, and that we will create in this database directory. So here models.py. Okay, and in this models.py we will create models that will represent the table in our database. So before that, we need to import some SQLAlchemy things. So from SQLAlchemy, import column, integer and string. We are importing three things. So column, integer and string. Okay, the next thing is we need to import mapped column. So from SQLAlchemy.orm, import mapped and mapped column. So two things we have imported here. And the third thing is we need to have one base that we have created here in this db connection file. So here you can see this base, and to import that in our model file, we will use from dot db connection import base. Okay, so we have this base, and now we are going to create one class, and that will called item. Class item, and here inherit base. Okay, so base here. Now this underscore table name equal to items. Now in this table we can create different type of columns. So in our example we are going to create, for example, let's create four columns. So first will be id, then name and description, and the last we will just create price. Okay, so that we can just cover integer and string and primary key. So here first field is id, and here we will use mapped. Okay, so in this square bracket int, so the type of this column is int, and here mapped column, so the type will be integer. Primary key, let's make it true because it is id, so primary key is true. Index true, and auto increment also true. So these are the features of one primary key that we are created here. Okay, so it is primary key, its indexing is true, that helps in the searching, and also auto increment is true. Now the next thing is name. So for the item name we are creating one next field is name, mapped, and the type is string. So we will put str. Now mapped column, and here the type is string, and its length is, for example, 255. Okay, and also index is true. So here what we are going, so here what we are doing, we have created a mapped column and mapping in this name field. Okay, so here this is Python's string and this is SQLAlchemy's string. Okay, now the next is description, and again mapped, and description will be string type, and also we are just putting none. Okay, so why we are putting null? So why we are putting null here? Because this field is nullable. So this is the default value. Now mapped column string and its length is, maximum length is 500. Okay, now nullable true. And one last field that we are going to put here is price, and let's put int here. Now mapped column integer. Okay, so our model class is ready, and using this model class we are going to create table in our database, and for that we need to just open the main file. Okay, and in this main file what we have to do, first we need to just import. So we are going to import engine and the session local from the DB connection and model from the database. Okay, so from database dot DB connection import session local and engine, and also from database import models. Now using this model, so models dot base dot metadata create all and bind equal to engine. Okay, so now first let me open the database. So here you can see we have this database, and if we execute this show table we have nothing. Okay, now let's run our application, and for that and you can see our application is running, and here in the root you can see the detail not found, but in the database if we execute this show table again we will have this items. Okay, so this is our table that we have created using FastAPI. So in the next videos we will just do some CRUD operations and create different kind of endpoints for the getting the data from the table, saving the data in the table, and many other things. So this is enough for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video we will see you again. So till then please like the video and subscribe the channel.